Everyone thinks the best-selling carry-on bags are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, SYCNB Extra Large Duffel. We have the SYCNB Extra Large Travel Duffel Bag. Priced at just $21.99, this bag caught my eye because of its spacious design and thoughtful features. If you want a versatile bag for weekend getaways or overnight trips, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This bag measures 21.25 by 10 by 14.5 inches, which means it's airplane friendly and fits perfectly in the overhead compartment. With a massive 55L capacity, it can hold all your essentials for a week-long trip. Plus, it includes 7 pockets to keep everything organized. The dedicated shoe compartment is a game changer. Keeping your shoes separate from clothes is a must for hygiene. The dry-wet separation feature is also useful if you're packing wet clothes after a swim. Honestly, I think this bag would be perfect for anyone who travels often or needs a reliable gym bag. Now, some people complained about the material not feeling premium. Here's the thing though, at this price point, I think the durability is decent enough for short trips. If you're looking for a high-end feel, this might not be it, but for practical use, it definitely gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you need a spacious, organized bag for various uses, but skip this one if you want something with a luxury feel. For the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if the SYCNB's material concerns you, the next one might be just what you're looking for.
Product number 2, Etronik Carry-On Luggage. We have the Etronik Carry-On Luggage, which is priced at $29.99. What stood out to me here is its airline-approved size and practical design. If you want something that meets airline regulations without sacrificing space, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. With dimensions of 22 by 14 by 9 inches and a 45L capacity, this bag is designed to fit perfectly in overhead bins for major airlines like Delta and American. The external luggage sleeve is super handy, allowing you to slide it over your suitcase handle easily. It comes with a dedicated shoe compartment too, which helps keep your clothes fresh and tidy. The fabric is lightweight yet durable, which is crucial for travel. Plus, it can be folded flat for storage when you're not using it. Now, some reviews mention the zippers could be better. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with how you use it, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a solid option for anyone who values functionality over minor design flaws. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, sturdy travel bag for business or personal trips, but skip it if you prioritize premium materials. Honestly, for the price, you'll get a lot of bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for style and function.
Product number 3, Bagsmart Expandable Travel Bag. Let's look at the Bagsmart Expandable Personal Item Travel Bag, priced at $29.99. This bag really impressed me with its expandable feature and sleek design. If you want flexibility in your packing without needing a larger bag, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you. This bag fits under most airplane seats, so you won't have to worry about overhead storage. Its expandable bottom is a great feature for trips where you might bring back souvenirs or extra outfits. You get a TSA-approved toiletry bag included too, which is super convenient for airport security. The material is soft yet durable, making it stylish and practical at the same time. Honestly, this is a bag you can take from the airport to the gym with ease. Now, some users mention that the expandable feature can make it exceed personal item limits. Here's the thing though, if you're mindful of how you pack, this won't be an issue. It's a great trade-off for the flexibility it offers. This is perfect for you if you like a stylish, adaptable bag for multiple occasions, but skip it if you need a strictly regulated size for every flight. The value you get here is solid for its functionality. Now, if the Bagsmart doesn't quite fit what you need, the next option might just be the perfect fit. Product number 4, Wonhox Travel Duffel Bag. Available for just $16.99. I was drawn to its practical features for wet and dry separation. If you often deal with wet clothes after the gym or outdoor activities, this bag is worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you. This bag is designed to be airplane friendly, which is great for travel. It has a high-density waterproof wet pocket, perfect for separating wet items from your dry clothes. The spacious capacity allows for 6 to 8 pieces of summer clothing, and with multiple internal and external pockets, you can keep everything organized. The quality polyester fabric is durable and tear-resistant, which is essential if you're a frequent traveler. Now, some customers mention that it might feel a bit bulky when fully packed. Here's the thing though, if you pack smart, this bulkiness actually translates to more space for your essentials. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable bag for sports and travel, but skip it if you prefer something more compact. Honestly, it's a great value for the price with all the features it offers. Now, if the Wonhox's size isn't great for you, let's check out one more option that's all about convenience. Product number 5, Lifewinner Travel Duffel Bag. We have the Lifewinner Personal Item Bag, priced at just $12.99. This bag immediately caught my eye for its foldable design and lightweight construction. If you need something that's easy to store and carry, this could be a smart choice. Here's why this matters for you. This bag measures 18 by 14 by 8 inches, making it perfect for under-seat storage on flights, helping you avoid excess baggage fees. The material is waterproof and tear-resistant, ensuring it holds up during travel. With a detachable shoulder strap, it's designed for comfort too. Plus, the exterior pocket is great for keeping essentials like passports handy. Now, some users mentioned the size might be limiting for larger trips. Here's the thing, if you're just doing short trips or need an extra bag, this is more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you need an ultra-lightweight, budget-friendly travel bag for short journeys, but skip it if you're looking for something bigger. Honestly, it's an incredible value for a backup bag.
So there you have it. We just covered 5 amazing carry-on bags, ranging from the spacious SYCNB extra large duffel to the ultra-convenient Lifewinner travel duffel bag. Each one brings something unique to the table, whether it's organization, style, or flexibility. Choose the one that fits your travel needs the best, and happy travels.